arrive in style with this Toyota 2019 Camry SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, in-tune 3.0 audio with app suite, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.